If you see this kind of icon on the home screen of your Android device, then let us know what it is and how to remove it. This is actually a kind of notification that appears on the home screen of your Android device, and if you tap on it, you will be able to see what is inside of this bubble. So this notification I have set it for WhatsApp application. So when I tap on it, I can see the chat. Now if you want to remove this kind of bubble, what you have to do is you have to go to settings. You have to go to this option advanced features, and there is an option here smart pop-up view. So what it does is receive notifications as icons that can be tapped and expanded in pop-up view. So if you don't want, what you do is open it, and right now I had set it for WhatsApp application, so I can disable it. So from here you can set that pop-up notification for any app that you wish and can also disable.